The collision mitigation braking system detects preceding vehicles, pedestrians, and oncoming vehicles. Then the system assists to avoid collision. When there is a risk of a collision, the system works to reduce the impact and mitigate the damage by applying automatic braking. The camera recognizes the attributes and size of an object. The millimeter wave radar detects the location and speed of the object. The system provides audio and visual warnings as well as haptic tactile to facilitate the driver's collision avoidance actions. If collision with an oncoming vehicle is likely, the system similarly uses sound, displays, and haptic warnings to prompt the driver to take avoidance maneuver. If avoidance maneuver is not taken in time and collision is unavoidable, the system automatically activates the brakes to reduce the impact speed and mitigate damage.